In the next war, soldiers might never set foot on the battlefield. The sky will buzz with machines that don't sleep, don't fear, and don't miss. This is the age of future drone warfare. From spy cameras in the sky to precision missile strikes, drones have already redefined modern warfare. But what's coming next is beyond anything we've seen before. Imagine swarms of insect-sized drones flying through windows, identifying targets with AI and striking without warning. Or autonomous killer drones making life-and-death decisions in real time, with no human in the loop. That's AI-controlled swarm drones and autonomous lethal systems, all working at once. Future drones will be faster, stealthier, and smarter. Think about drones with quantum navigation that can't be jammed, hypersonic drones moving 5 times the speed of sound, and drone motherships launching entire fleets mid-air. And it's not just up there. Underwater drones are tracking submarines while land-based mini-tanks scout enemy positions. Land, sea, air, and even space, all connected, all part of the same battlefield. But with this power comes a dangerous question. Who pulls the trigger? Should a machine decide who lives or dies? Autonomous drones raise huge ethical concerns. What if they malfunction or get hacked? What happens when multiple nations release AI-powered swarms at once? The line between defense and destruction is getting blurry. With deepfake videos, cyber attacks, and AI deception, drone wars could be fought in silence, before we even know they began. The future of drone warfare isn't 50 years away, it's already here and evolving every day. Nations are racing to develop drone supremacy. The drone arms race is real. Will drones prevent wars through surveillance and deterrence? Or will they make wars easier to start and harder to control? But drones aren't just weapons. They're rescuing people after disasters, providing surveillance, and helping in search and rescue. In the end, it's not the drones we should fear, but how we choose to use them. This is the battlefield of tomorrow, and it's already taking off. Like, share, and subscribe for more future tech insights. And let me know in the comments, are autonomous drones a danger or a defense?